Dear viewers, greetings. This present video is about the various parts of the microscope. Microscopes. Microscope is an optical instrument that uses a lens or a combination of the lenses to produce highly magnified images of small specimens, especially the cells or microbial cells, which are too small to be seen by the naked eyes. A light source is used. That light source is either by mirror or lamps. The light source is used to make it easier to see the subject matter. The microscopy is the use of microscope or investigation by the microscope. This is the simple microscope which was used during the initial days. The format of this simple microscope is very simple when compared to the currently using microscope. See here, no condenser, no objective lens or no nose piece, no eyepiece, and here there is only the single adjustment. This is the very simple format of simple microscope which was used in the early days. And next, this is the advanced form of the simple microscope. This is the compound or light microscope. This kind of compound or light microscope contains eyepieces, two types of adjustments like coarse adjustment and fine adjustment, nose piece, objective lens, and the condenser lens. Here the condenser lens. It is the compound or light microscope is little bit upgraded version of the simple microscope. And this is the advanced format of the light microscope, that is a binocular microscope. This microscope contains the two octal lenses, so it is called as the binocular microscope. It have many parts. The first part is the head. The top of the microscope is called as the head, and the second part is the arm portion, and this arm portion refers to the carrying handle. The handle which used to carry the microscope is referred as the arm. The third one is the base. The base part is the bottom of the microscope. And the next is the light switch. The light switch is present in the bottom of the right side of the microscope. And next one is the brightness adjustment. This part is the brightness adjustment. It is present near the light switch and helps in the adjustment of the brightness of the light in the microscope. The next one is the illuminator, the light source or the illuminator, and this is a light source located below the specimen. And above the illuminator, the condenser is present. The condenser focuses the light through the specimen. And next is the diaphragm. The diaphragm controls the amount of light into the condenser. This is the diaphragm. It controls the amount of light into the condenser. And next part is the aperture. This aperture measures the ability of the light that is gathered and to resolve the fine specimen details while working at the fixed objective or specimen distance. Next is the stage or mechanical stage. This portion is the stage or mechanical stage. This is the platform that holds the specimen to be focused. Next, the stage also contains the stage clips. The stage clips are used to hold the slides which are placed in the stage. Next is the stage control. Here, this is the stage control. The stage control is used for the adjustment of the stage clips towards the left and right or front and back position. Next is the objective. This is the objective lens. The objective lens is directly present above the stage, and it is available in various magnifications like 10x, 40x, and 100x. If you're using the 100x means you should compulsorily use the immersion oil. The immersion oil is used to improve the resolution of a light microscope at a high power. It also has the same refractive index as glass and is placed between the high power objective and the glass light. With no layer of the air, More light from the specimen enters the objective lens instead of being refracted outside of it, and it is these things resulting in the sharper image, and the image will appear very clearly and as a fine image. And the next is the nose piece. The portion of the body that holds the objective lens is called as the nose piece. And here two types of adjustment are present. One is the coarse adjustment. This is the coarse adjustment, and this is fine adjustment. The larger area is the coarse adjustment, and this is the fine adjustment. The coarse adjustment, this This coarse adjustment is used to make relatively wide focusing adjustment to the microscope. And the second, the fine adjustment is used to make a relatively small adjustment to the microscope according to the person's eye power. Next is ocular lens. Ocular lens is also called as eyepiece. Currently, the ocular lenses is available with different magnification powers, and this ocular lens is a lens on the top of the body tube of the microscope. It has a magnification of 10x or 15x in the normal vision. Next is diopter adjustment. This diopter adjustment is used to change the focus of one eyepiece to compensate for the difference in the vision between the two eyes. These are all the basic parts of the microscope. Thank you.